Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your 2025 Nissan Kicks has factory remote start or an active Nissan Connect plan. Once confirmed, make sure you have the paired key fob and your smartphone with Nissan Connect logged in. Walk up to the vehicle and confirm doors and hood are closed. Remote start will not engage if open. Now lock the vehicle with the fob once. That action readies the system. After locking, wait 1-2 seconds before pressing the remote start sequence to initiate the engine. You can remote start using the key fob or the Nissan Connect app. If using the fob, press lock once, then immediately press and hold the remote start button for 2-3 seconds. Release when lights flash. If using the app, open Nissan Connect, select remote start, then confirm with your 4-digit PIN. Wait for the app to confirm. Once the system accepts the command, the parking lights will flash and HVAC will begin. That feedback tells you the engine and climate systems are initializing. Once the engine runs, approach and unlock the Kicks. Enter, press the brake pedal to end remote idle, then shift to drive when ready. If the remote start fails, make sure the fob battery is charged, your Nissan Connect subscription is active, and the app has required permissions. Also confirm doors and hood sensors are closed. If problems persist, check for fault indicators or retrieve diagnostic codes with an OBD2 reader. Finally, take the vehicle and VIN to a dealer for deeper mod.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.